SLT4X2, 2018 Ram 2500. Engine 5.7 LV8 MPGMPG City / Highway seating 6 passengers transmission 6 SPD auto W / odd power 383 at 5600 RPM more view all specs. Additional or replacing features. 18 inches styled steel wheels AM / FM / satellite seek scan radio first row LCD monitor keyfob, all doors, remote keyless entry heated mirrors cloth seat trim standard features. 17 inches silver styled steel wheels AM / FM / satellite prep, seek scan radio vinyl seat trim 5.7 LV8 engine 6 SPD auto W / odd transmission 383 at 5600 RPM horsepower 400 at 4000 RPM torque rear wheel drive type absent driver line traction control front air conditioning, manual. Safety features. Driver and front passenger airbags. Side impact seat mounted, driver and passenger airbags, side curtain curtain first and second row occupancy sensors traction control absent driver line in vehicle assistance service Sirius XM Guardian height adjustable safety belts front seat belt pretensioners front headlight halogen exterior light control fully automatic delay off headlamps headlight washers daytime running. Lights op LED bracket lights and / illuminated entrust parking assist park sense remote keyless entry keyfob, all doors, keyless access system and / a panic alarms door locks power with 2-stage unlock rear child safety door locks content theft deterrent alarm system opt ignition disable sentry key.